So you cannot just wake up one day and say, now look here, we are going to reduce what you are entitled to. And also terms and conditions of service under Article 41 are supposed to be negotiated between the union and the employer. So the employer cannot wake up one day and reduce the terms and conditions of employment for any worker or any prospective worker in Kenya. And those are the basis why we are engaging the ministry. You asked on how long we have been engaging the ministry. We started engagement last year. This year in February, we had a retreat in Naivasha where we completed our CBA. So what was left for now, our legal department, the legal of the ministry, and our legal department to sit and harmonize whatever we had agreed to be in tandem with the law and the procedure required by the government, as well as the goodwill negotiation spirit. So that is what is happening today. We cannot be on the table negotiating with the government, coming from a retreat, then tomorrow we're on street. Mimi ndio napenda mgomo kwa hii nchi sana. Hakuna watu wanapenda mgomo kama mimi. But strikes must be sensible. You cannot be on government, you are negotiating, then outside you're going to the street. It doesn't make sense. You know very well that this union has been on strike from the time of inception. But this is a situation where government spent money to send her official to Naivasha for a whole week. We spend our money, send our officers to Naivasha for a whole week, negotiating a document that has been completed. The week it's supposed to be signed is the week people are going on strike. Why are we not going to think that maybe there is support somewhere?
So what are the